Hey there, young artists, and welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today, we've got something super cool in store. We've created a Halloween postage stamp that's really spooky and fun. So grab your art supplies and let's get started on this awesome journey. In the middle of our postage stamp, you'll find a friendly ghost in a graveyard. The ghost is happy and not scary at all, just here to make Halloween fun. And all around, there are tombstones, creating a spooky atmosphere. Now onto the border of our stamp, where things get spooktacularly fun. There's a speech bubble that says boo. It's like our friendly ghost just wanted to say hello in the most ghostly way possible. And what's a Halloween night without a few winged creatures? We've got a couple of bats flying around, dancing under the moonlight. And for that extra touch of creepiness, in one corner, there's a sneaky spider hanging by a thread, waiting for its next adventure. It's all in the little details that make this scene so exciting. To complete the stamp's look, we've given the other edges a textured drawing style, adding that extra layer of depth and spookiness. And we've used deep blues, a bright yellow, a vibrant red, boo. Look up, and you'll find a big, glowing moon. Exciting color tones to keep it all in line with the Halloween theme. But wait, there's more to this spooky night. It's like the moon is casting its enchanting spell on the night. Now before we wrap up, don't forget to show your love for Easy Peasy Art by hitting that like button below. And if you're itching for more fantastic art projects like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Have a spooktacular day.